Welcome to our factory of coconut shell charcoal briquette. This is we use 100% coconut shell charcoal briquettes. Coconut shell charcoal. And then we make it charcoal powder. Put in a mixer machine. This is mixer machine. After a mixer machine, it becomes a charcoal dough. This is charcoal dough. Coconut charcoal dough. This is a mixer machine. Mix it coconut shell charcoal with tapioca flour, and we put it in trays. After that, put it in the trays and we move it here for a dry sun dries for a couple hours. Okay, this is our factory and we produce 4 tons per day and 120 tons per month. We can increase up to 150 tons per month. And we will provide all export document, SMDS, bill of lading, and any kind of export document I will provide. For shipping and handling, I can assist you for that. We already export to Asia, like South Korea, Middle East, Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Lebanon, and for Europe, we export to Germany, French, Spain, and Turkey. For Africa, it's South Africa. So, if you want to order, you may contact me or WhatsApp me at any time. Thank you.